Aloha! Hazel Ross is here, your Hawaii Realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Today I'm excited to share with you my new beautiful listing here in Wahiawa. Come, let's take a look. This one-story home was built in 1991. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a spacious 2-car garage. Come, let's have a tour. This was renovated this year with a brand new roof, modern kitchen, white cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. And of course, the trending vinyl plank floors and freshly painted interiors and exteriors. Let's have a tour. This move-in ready home is listed for $699,000. If you're in an apartment, a condo, or townhouse, this is definitely an upgrade for more space and to stop paying high maintenance fee. Or if you're tired of maintaining a big 2-story house, this is a good replacement as a forever home. So if you're interested, please join us this Sunday, November 13th from 2 to 5 p.m. for our first open house. And I will have a loan officer here to answer your big question. Can you afford the monthly payment with the increase in the mortgage rates? There will be some programs and great financing options for you. Again, this is Hazel Ross, your Hawaii Realtor. Together, we can build wealth through real estate. Mahalo. Thanks for watching.